So I got lucky and picked up this old truck for $500 a couple of weeks ago. It's kind of a frankentruck, but I've been wanting a Model A pickup truck, and it's got most of what I need. I was going to build one from pieces, but this has most of the parts I want. It's a bit of a frankentruck. The fenders are obviously, well, the front fenders and running boards are 28-29. The cowl is 30-31, I guess. The cab is weird. It's custom made out of Dodge body parts, I think. So I'm kind of looking for a cab for this, but for now, it's cute and it's workable. It's actually got a lift in it, but I'll probably take that out because I don't really want that there. The fellow I got it from years ago rebuilt the front end. It's got 0 miles on it since, with new kingpins and tie rods done and stuff like that. So that's nice. And he rebuilt the motor to some degree. Said he put rings in it and ground the valves, I guess, and adjusted the Babbitt. He said the Babbitt was in good shape. So it could be a good truck. I haven't tried to turn it over yet. This morning I put some automatic transmission fluid in the cylinders and let them soak a little like that. Last night I gathered up all my best parts and built a serviceable carburetor and a serviceable distributor. So it should be pretty close. It's got some kind of weird carburetor on it. Gas tank seems good. It's mostly all there. Got a exhaust system back here, and bed's beat up and rusty, but it's there. It's got some kind of weird bumpers on it. So it's got a 30 cowl, 30 radiator, 28-29 front fenders, Model T running boards, some kind of rear fenders. I don't know what they're off of. Halfway decent looking tires. Should be a fun project. I actually think it's probably a couple hours or less away from running. Kind of excited. I've got a bunch of parts around, so I've got correct headlights. I don't know what these were off of, and got most of the parts to make it serviceable. So I'll post another video when I get a little further on this. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I'll have it running. Who knows? Maybe later today. Fun stuff.